Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Kajabi for email automation and funnels, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Kajabi for email automation and funnels, begin by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the settings section in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Look for the option labeled email. Click on it to access the email settings. In the email settings area, locate the email authentication section. You will see two options for authentication: domain authentication and SPF and DKIM settings. To set up domain authentication, click on the Add Domain button. Enter the domain you wish to authenticate. After entering your domain, Kajabi will provide you with DNS records. Open your domain registrar or hosting provider in a new tab. Log into your account where your domain is managed. Navigate to the DNS settings or DNS management area. Add the provided DNS records from Kajabi into your domain's DNS settings. Make sure to enter both the SPF and DKIM records accurately. Once you have added the DNS records, go back to your Kajabi account. Click on the Verify Domain button. This may take a few moments as Kajabi checks the records. If successful, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your domain is authenticated. Next, ensure that your email sending addresses are properly configured. Navigate back to the email settings in Kajabi. Input the email address you want to use for sending automated emails and funnels. It's recommended to use a professional email address associated with your authenticated domain. Once entered, Kajabi may require verification for this email address. Follow the prompts to verify the email address through a confirmation link sent to it. After verification, your email address will be linked to your Kajabi account. Finally, test your email automation and funnels to confirm everything is set up correctly. Send a test email to ensure that your communications are successfully delivered. This completes the authentication process for email automation and funnels in Kajabi. You are now ready to utilize Kajabi's powerful email features for your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.